What's going on? So today we got a video from A Matter of Crime, and the title of the video is High School Senior Caught Trying to Cash $3,000 in Fake Checks. Listen, you know you got to go out senior year with a bang, okay? This is what we got going on here. Excuse me. Mess your life up. You feel me? Way to mess your life up senior year. Let's go. Let's get into it.
This is Aaliyah Brown, a woman now facing serious charges after authorities say she went on a check cashing spree, hitting multiple locations with fraudulent checks. Just 1 hour earlier, she had already...
Ooh, who's baby right here, though? Okay, Miss Officer. Okay. Okay, baby. Nice little snow bunny officer. Okay. Hold on. Let me run this back. Oof. Got off topic real quick. Let's run it back.
This is Aaliyah Brown, a woman now facing serious charges after authorities say she went on a check cashing spree, hitting multiple locations with fraudulent checks. Just 1 hour earlier, she had already cashed a fake check for $1,500.
So those are fake checks. This is what was going on. That's what she said. She said fraudulent like that.
Now she was back at it again, trying to cash another one for the exact same amount.
All right, so you work here at the check cashing place?
Yes.
Okay. Western
She
Union?
came in, yeah. And when she came in, we always have to register all our customers in. We have a new system now that we have to register them in by their profile, take pictures of them, and put their address stuff in. So when I looked into the system and I recognized when I pulled her up, I said, usually we'll check and see if they took out a loan somewhere or if they cashed a check. It immediately said another our store that she cashed a check with the same kind of amount. But the check came back. When the check came back, that means when the check come back, they have to pay it back.
The store?
The customer have to pay whatever. When they cash a check at our store, they have to pay that back.
Because the check was no good?
Correct.
Okay.
So, or either they have sufficient funds in their account the way they can cash
The
that
actual
check.
company?
Correct.
Okay.
So, when we recognize at this point, I have to get my manager because I'm explaining it to her and she's not understanding where I'm going. So I'm telling my manager that called you guys that I'm trying to explain to her to the best of my ability of how it goes. Okay, you went to another one of our stores. We know that you went to another one of our stores. You tried to cash a check. Well, you cashed the check, but the check came back. So she was like, no. But then the dates was really close. So you just did one just recently.
The one from Riviera was today?
No, I don't know if that was...
I think it was today, yeah.
Yeah, in the system, that's what it was saying. And I'm looking all crazy like, okay, she just went and got a check like this? Now I call my manager. My manager comes over there. Boom, that's when it comes to that.
Okay, and what did she say?
We basically had to, when I gave it to her, my manager's like, well, wait, give me one moment. We got to, verify everything or whatever, so forth. But once we verified and we recognized what it wasn't legit.
It wasn't legit based on all those flags. Based on her cashing a check earlier
at
today.
Another one of our stores. And every check cashing store that you go to, we are connected.
Yeah.
So we could tell if you took out a loan in another one of our stores. We could tell if you went to Miami and
took a loan
did a loan. We would know.
And that was the only other
That's
activity.
the only one that I seen as far as a check goes.
Okay.
But I didn't see nothing about no loan.
That check cashed earlier today.
Yeah, because when I put her phone number in, it didn't come up. So I said, well, let me have your ID. She gave me her ID. I put her name in. She immediately popped up at another store. Took the picture and everything. So,
yeah, and that's Aaliyah Brown?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
And that's the girl who I had handcuffed and all that? Okay.
Yes, that is her.
Has everything you told me been the truth?
Yes, I don't lie. I don't like lying on nobody because it might come back on me.
Have I coerced you in any way to give me a statement or anything like that?
No.
I haven't forced you? Okay.
All
right, Miss Williams.
You got me on camera with
Yeah.
Right. But I got to make a copy of her check, of that check, and then y'all can have it.
Okay.
Can you show me a copy of them?
You want a copy?
No, just see it right now.
This is a fraud check. I have one that was negotiated in the other store. So there's police reports for the one in the other store as well.
Okay.
So
Did you want a statement or anything? Or during a phone?
So this is definitely
Definitely fraud.
okay. All right.
So it's the other one that captured them bounce.
All right. 1 second.
What's the problem?
All right. Do me a favor. Put your hands behind your back for a second. All right. You're just being detained. Here. Put your bag down.
Task Force 1220.
All right. You're just being detained.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from zero to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
All right. You're just being detained. Pending further investigation. Okay. All right. Not in any trouble right now. So we're just gonna.
What it says?
Right over here.
What's the problem though?
Have a seat, sweetheart.
Yeah. I'll explain everything in a minute. Okay. Here. I'm gonna move this
Why she
over here.
got
For you.
that attitude? Why she got that attitude acting like she don't know what's going on? You see the way that she looked at in the face? What's going on? Come on, man. You know what time it is.
What's the problem though?
Have a seat, sweetheart.
Yeah. I'll explain everything in a minute. Okay. Here. I'm gonna move this over here for you.
Thank you.
What? Talking to you, huh?
No, I'm
Oh, I thought you were waiting on her.
I am so confused. What's the problem?
The problem with these checks and making sure that they're not fraudulent.
This you?
Yes.
Okay. This is your ID.
Yes.
All right.
You say your current address?
No.
Where you live at now?
Gardens.
Okay.
So those are fake checks.
Bravo 7 and 8 going to be 7. 1221.
Am I in trouble? Because they detained me and
How old are you, Miss Brown?
I'm 18.
18? All right.
How much you paid for this bag?
I got it for Christmas.
Did you?
Yes. So those are fake checks. This is what was going on. That's what she said. She said fraudulent, like that.
Yeah, babe.
And you just put me in handcuffs.
You just ruined your life at 18. That's what's going
What did you
on.
say?
Not that bad. I've been put in handcuffs before.
Have I?
No, I have.
Oh.
They come off easy though.
Alpha 3 and 6 shift 14.
I don't like it though.
I don't like it.
Wait, how did you get for the handcuffs? You're a police.
He was a child. He was a little bad kid, and that's why.
I was a teenager. One time, my girlfriend did it.
Did what?
Put me in handcuffs.
Oh. I thought you was talking about getting in trouble.
Oh, I was like, yeah, that's it.
Oh. His girlfriend put him in handcuffs now. Hold up now. What? This conversation went real south real quick. Is this appropriate?
Handcuffs. You're a police.
He was a child. He was a little bad kid, and that's why.
I was a teenager. One time, my girlfriend did it.
Did what?
Put me in handcuffs.
Oh. I thought you was talking about getting in trouble.
Oh, I was like, yeah, that's it.
Do I have to go with you guys?
I don't know yet.
Oh.
You know way?
No. No. It's my daughter's receipt. Thank you. That hurts.
And I'm gonna be comfortable.
I just feel comfortable. Thank you. I'm not running away.
You have the right to the presence of your lawyer of your choice before you make any statements and during any questioning. Do you understand?
Yes. What is? Can you explain that, please?
You have the right to the presence of a lawyer, which means you have the right to have an attorney present.
Speak to me.
present before you answer any questions
Okay,
that
so
may incriminate you.
where are
But
the states that? Okay, I would just answer the questions because
Here.
it doesn't make sense.
I'll explain everything once I'm done. If you cannot afford a lawyer, you're entitled to the presence of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statements during any questioning. Do you understand?
Yes.
Any statements can and may be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand?
Yes.
Any statements you make must be freely and voluntarily given. Do you understand?
Yes.
If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be of your own free will. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Oh wait, do you have my ID?
The other officer does. He's just double checking something real quick. Who's your employer?
I don't have a job right now.
Okay.
I do hair. I'm on business.
Okay, so it's like a self-employed.
One adult, female, 15 on board, 51 to CID, copy starting. You grew up in West Palm or Gardens?
Yes, I was back and forth from Wellington and with my mom back.
Okay.
The suspect was arrested and charged with felony grand theft and uttering a forged instrument. She was sentenced to 5 years of probation. Do you think...
Where the hell did all the body cam footage go? A matter of crime. Come on now. Where was the questioning? Where was... What the hell? You go from Miranda to... And I know the video got to be 8 minutes long. I see at the bottom, you know what I'm saying? Video got to be 8 minutes long for you to put them ads up in there. You feel me? You got to... You know what I'm saying? Listen, this is a business. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we provide the content. We get the content. You know what I'm saying? We talk, I talk. You feel me? But hey, we need them dollars too. You hear me? So watch them ads, man. Don't be skipping them. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, where did all the body cam footage go? You put her in handcuffs. You take her out of handcuffs. You're reading her Miranda. Next thing you know, she in the cop car going to jail. What the heck? I don't even know what to give the officer. I can't even rate it. Honestly, I can't even rate it. There's so much body cam footage that got skipped, man. I don't even know. I don't even know what to rate it. This was just one of them. Oh boy.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.